Watch this video to learn how to link an existing Xero organization to a client record in Xero HQ. If you have access to a client's existing Xero organization, you can link it to a client record in Xero HQ. On the Practice Clients page of the Clients tab, click the menu icon next to the relevant client record. Click Add Existing Xero Organization. Xero shows you a list of all clients that aren't already connected to a client record. Use the search field to make it easier to find the relevant Xero organization. You can use the Go to Xero link to open the Xero organization, to check if it's the correct one to connect to the client record. When you're sure of the correct organization, select it. Then click Add. When you return to your client list, you'll see the Go to Xero link, which will take you to the client's Xero organization. Now you can connect your client's Xero organizations to your client records in Xero HQ.